Now that you've seen an example of what Xslt does, let's talk about the absolute basics about how to pull off using an Xslt style sheet. First of all, understand Xslt exists to process nodes of the XML document. Now again, Xslt is going to see the entire document as a whole and then start to see the individual pieces of it more or less as branches of a tree. Now, what we're going to do with Xslt is we're going to use pattern matching. We're going to tell it, for example, to look for the person tag or the name tag or the husband tag and so forth. So we're going to identify nodes based on the name of the tag or the name of the node itself, or based on the contents of the node, something about the attribute, that sort of thing. Then we're going to tell it what kind of transformation to perform when it finds that information. So that's where the transformation part comes in. Now, what's really cool about this is, more or less, it creates a new document. It's going to take our original XML document, it's going to apply the style sheet that we write, and the parser is going to then render or just outright create a totally brand new document. It's based on the original XML document, but transformed based on matches and patterns that we put in our Xslt document. Now, there's three main parts of an Xslt style sheet that you're going to use extensively, and we'll start to dig into these in the next couple of videos. The first one is templates. We're going to basically place a template that describes what kind of output needs to be generated based on a certain pattern matching criteria. You'll see that later. Patterns are the things that we're going to use in the Xslt style sheet to let the parser know when we have found a particular node that we were looking for to apply a template or to cause something to happen. And then expressions, and these are the rules that we put in there to tell it exactly what we're looking for and what to do with what we found. So that's the basics. So what we're going to do in the next video is start to build our own style sheet, and we'll talk about patterns, templates, expressions, and so forth. And then as we build the style sheet, kind of show you some gotchas about how it works, and we'll construct one, play with it, and add a little functionality to it, and just give you a good general overview of how this thing works and how to build one.